I was doing laundry. It was a really important job, but I didn't do it in a wise way. And I was flipping a pair of heavy jeans to get wrinkles out. And I flipped them too hard and too fast and ripped my rotator cuff. My left shoulder had a high-level tendon tear through the rotator cuff. I got an x-ray, the most painful MRI in the history of the world, and a whole lot of information about how much pain, how much medication, and how long a time that recovery was probably going to take. None of that was good news. That injury meant I lost jobs. When you can't move half of your body fast enough to do your job, that's not good, and my left arm simply could not perform. So that was really bad. Dr. Pettke had started talking about stem cell therapy to come, and that sounded interesting, but everything we found out about it really sounded too good, and it sounded too easy, especially compared to what we were being told was reality. And I had a surgery scheduled. Within just days of that scheduled surgery, I got a call from Lonestar Progressive Medicine that stem cell therapy was now available here. So we came, we listened, we prayed, we decided, because we know Dr. Pettke's experience and character, we decided to trust that and go with this. And that's when we decided we're going to try stem cell therapy and see how it works. The day after I got those stem cells, my pain level dropped dramatically, and it continued to diminish to 0. It was just gone. Without pain, I could make my left arm go as fast as it had to go, and being able to teach again, and I got full range of motion back, so I can even do laundry, but much more wisely. And everything, all my activities were restored. It's just been absolutely miraculous.